Thanks.
Got a late start.
Here we go. Home Canyon. Is there a map? Back in Anza. Green leaves have died. The flowers are still there, but the green leaves have gone.
Yeah.
I made a video called Man Names Plant. I've been driving my 1982 Ford Gold Star. There's Alicia. Cool.
Yeah.
Look, there's water in the desert. Any fish? That's cool.
The local desert mackerel.
Different. There's an actual creek coming out of there.
They still drink your juices from your skin or something?
I don't know what Eric's talking about, but
Oh, okay.
this trail's cool. It's not too hard of a hike. They said bring like 1.5 gallons of water, but it's only 1.5 miles.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Gotcha. Huh. I mean, that's probably fine then. Okay. I'll send Dylan the location.
No life straws, we're gonna die. There's a nice river going. I'm sure you could drink that water and just have all your minerals for the year.
Honestly. That'd be fun.
Isn't it a cool little canyon? Oh, fuck yeah, big old alligator lizard. Look at him. Look at this lizard. It's huge. That thing's huge. And there's 2 doves over here. Right there. Oh, 2 quail. Cool. Saw some quail. The whole hillside was covered in these like pink ones.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was pretty cool. And then those are the flowers of the Acacia.
Yeah.
I learned that. Cool. Palm Oasis or alternate. Gonna come back and sit in the river. The bighorn sheeps.
I'm drinking.
This is the peyote den. 12 miles in. We're going to find the hippies. The bush safari. Something over there. Oh, look, a little animal den. Looks pretty open to me. Where you at, Rams? It's pretty cool. You're standing right there, Eric, and I'm pointing the camera this way, and you're still in it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Cool little desert oasis. It's like the one in El Centro that we found, the hot spring. Oh, you weren't there for that. Fun little hike. We're in the oasis. Trying to figure out where to go, following people. Chilling. End of the trail. I don't know if it was a quarter mile. Maybe a tenth of a mile. Oh, there's some people back there.
Yeah.
The hyper view. I think if I hold it, it's really stable.
Hello, 300 followers.
Hello. The flowers, they're
Did
dying.
you put ice on them? Yeah, that's okay.
Super bloom next year. The photographer. Hello. I am taking a picture of a picture of a picture being taken of a picture. Eric's taking a pretty cool. Pants are all wet. Bring more water than just one of these.
If it was 100 degrees out here,
Yeah, I wouldn't have done this.
yeah.
You need more water than this, but you probably don't need 1.5 gallons.
What's that, the alternate route?
The massacred graves of their fellow trees. To
Oh, okay.
rock cobbler. Cobbler de rock.
Rock cobblers.
Imagine how much he paid.
Oh, that's nice.
We met at like
It's on the extendo stick.
Oh,
there, that way.
German, or
And I messaged him. I was like, I heard it's terrible, and he said it was really bad.
yeah.
Yeah, he was like, I forget what. Was it German?
Yeah, that was the guy.
This is cool.
That was the
Nice
guy where
out
I was
here.
like,
Oh, you
hey,
gave him advice. I was like,
well, yeah, I tried to fix his bike, right?
yeah,
And then,
you need a new one.
and then I was like, oh, you need to bring a